My fellow Jamaicans at home and in the diaspora, I am honored to address you on this significant day as we celebrate the 61st anniversary of our nation's independence under the theme, Jamaica 61, Proud and Strong. This moment marks the triumphs of our forebears' vision, the strength of our people, and the enduring spirit of our great nation. For 6 decades and counting, we have steadfastly navigated our collective journey, resiliently shaping our destiny. Over the years, we have shown that unity, when coupled with an unwavering commitment to our national ethos, can create ripples of change powerful enough to surmount the tallest mountains. In the areas of technology, infrastructure, healthcare, education, and social justice, we have made strides worthy of recognition. Each sector has contributed invaluably to the development and growth of our nation. Your tireless efforts, the sacrifices you make, and your unwavering commitment are the bedrock of our national success. So we are here today not merely because of our predecessors, but also due to your leadership and service. And for this, I am most sincerely thankful to all of you. Even as we celebrate this historic milestone, we are aware of the uncertain times that lie ahead. Our world is constantly evolving, bringing forth complex challenges that test our fortitude and resilience. I will not downplay these challenges, but today I want to reassure you that our collective strength, creativity, and spirit are mightier than the challenges. In the words of the esteemed writer J.K. Rowling, and I quote, "We do not need magic to transform our world. We carry all the power we need inside ourselves already." Our nation is a testament to this truth. Our history is punctuated with instances where we turned adversity into opportunity. We brought light into the dark and inspired hope amidst despair. In the face of looming uncertainties, let us not forget our past triumphs in all the sectors of our country. These are not just markers of our history, but torches to light our way forward. Together, we have the power to shape our future, no matter the challenges that stand in our path. Helen Keller reminds us that, and I quote again, "Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much." The power of collective action, the power of unified purpose has been and will always be our greatest strength. As we chart the course for the next chapter in our nation's history, I humbly ask each one of you to recommit to the work at hand. Let us carry with us the lessons of the past, the ambitions of the present, and the dreams of a brighter future. With our combined efforts, there is no limit to what we can achieve. May our country forever stand as a beacon of unity, resilience, and progress. The future is not something that just happens. It is up to us to create it. Happy Independence Day, Jamaica, the land we love.